Hey guys, today we're going to do 9.5 from your math practice sheets. So go ahead and have this one out and be ready. And what we're going to do is we're going to compare numbers. And that means we're going to look at two different numbers and see which one has more and which one has less. That's what compare means, when you take two things and you look at it at the same time to see which one is which. Okay, so what we're going to do today is we're going to count and write the numbers for each one of the tens frames that we see. And then we're going to circle which one has more. Okay, so we want more. So you always want more. Kind of like when the alligator eats the bigger number. That's what we're going to do today, except it's just in number form instead of with the alligator. Okay, so right here, we're going to go ahead and do the first one first together. And right here, we know that this is 10. And then we're going to go ahead and count the rest of it. So 10, 11, 12, 13, 14, 15, 16, 17, 18. So this is 18, and 18 is a 1 and an 8. So you can always look at this as well. You can look at here and go, oh, that's a 10. So I'm going to put 1, 10. So, and then there's 8 more here. So then I'm going to put an 8, make an S and go back home. So now we have 18. Now we're going to come over here and count this one and see how many this one has. We already know that this is 10, so we don't actually really need to count it, right? We can just go 10 and start counting from 10. And you could also just look at here and know that you have 110, so we can put the number 1. Now we just need to know how many ones are over here by themselves. You ready? So there's 10, 11, 12, 13, 14, 15, 16, 17. So we have the 1 already for 17. Now we need the 7. So we're going to slide to the right and slant on down. Now we're going to look right here. So which one is bigger, 18 or 17? Well, you can see here that this one has only 2 left over. This one has 3. So 18 is 1 more than 17. So we're going to go ahead and circle 18 because it is bigger. It has more. Okay, now we're going to go ahead and go over here to this one. We're going to go ahead and count, write the number, count and write the number and circle which one has more. So we know here this is 10, 11, 12, 13. And you guys know what 13 is. It's a 1 and a 3. Okay, now we're going to count this one. 10, 11, 12, 13, 14, 15. So we're going to write 15. And remember, the 1 goes in the front. Okay, so we have the 1, and then we're going to put our 5 down and around and give it a hat. So now we have 15. Now, which one has more? Well, if you look at 13, it's got a lot of blank squares, right? And 15, it's all filled up. So you know 15 is 2 more. See, has 2 more blanks and 2 more here. It's 2 more than 13. So we're going to go ahead and circle 15 because that one is bigger, has more. All right, so now let's come down here. I'm going to give you a minute to go ahead and fill in your number here and your number here and circle which one it is. And then Miss Keegan will help you. So I'll give you a few seconds to do that. All right, we're going to go ahead and check it. Let's go ahead and count this one. There's 10. Well, so I know that's 10, so I'm just going to go ahead and put my 110 right there because I already know that. So 10, 11, 12, 13, 14, 15, 16, 17, 18. It's 18 again. Oh my gosh. So I'm going to put make my S and go back home. So now I have 18. All right, let's count this one. Oh, there's 110, so I know I need to just put a 1 because there's 110. Let's count how many there are here. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. Oh, so that's 5. So down and around and give it a hat. So that's 15. So we have 18 and 15. Now, which one has more? If you look right here, 18 only has 2 empty boxes. 15 has 5 extra, 5 missing. So you know that 18 is bigger than 15. So we are going to go ahead and circle 18. All right, I'm going to go ahead and let's do this one here. Go ahead and try that one by yourself real quick. I'll give you a few seconds. Go ahead. All right, guys, let's go ahead and do it together. All right, we know that this is 10, so I'm going to put my 10 Let's count how many ones we have. 1, 2, 3. Oh, there's 3. So that's 13. So 10, 11, 12, 13. So I wrote the 13. All right, let's check this one. We know that's 10, so I'm going to write my 1 because we know that's 10. Let's count how many ones we have. 1, 2, 3, 4. Oh, so that's 4. So down and right and cut in 2. So that's 14. So 10, 11, 12, 13, 14. Which one has more? Is it 13 or is it 14? Well, if you look right here, 13 has 2 blank spot squares on top. This one has only 1. So you know 14 is 1 more than 13. So we're going to go ahead and circle 14. All right, now I want you to go ahead and come down here, and I want you to do this one and this one. I'll give you a few seconds to go ahead and do that one as well. All right, let's go ahead and check it. Okay, so now we have 10, right? So we're going to go ahead and put the 1, 10. Uh-oh, there's nothing here. So we got to put the 0, right? And now we have 10, and there's only 10. So 10, 10. That was pretty easy, wasn't it? All right, let's go ahead and check this one. Oh, we have 1, 10. So we know we could put a 1 there. Oh, let's count how many ones we have down here. So 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7. I'm going to put a 7, slide to the right and slant on down. So that's 17. So you can go 10, 11, 12, 13, 14, 15, 16, 17. Which one has more? Well, if you look here, there's nothing here, and 7 is definitely bigger than nothing. So we're going to go ahead and circle 17. All right, now we're going to go ahead and go to this page here. Or not this page, I'm sorry, this box here. Go ahead, I'll give you a few seconds to do this one, and then I'll help you. All right, let's go ahead and do it. Okay, there's 10, so I'm going to put the 1 for the 1, 10. Let's count how many ones we have. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. Oh, there's that 18 again, so make an S and go back home. So we have 10, 11, 12, 13, 14, 15, 16, 17, 18. Good. So now we're going to come over here and do this one. Oh, we see 1, 10. So I'm going to put a 1. All right. Now we got to count how many ones we have. 1, 2. So we're going to go ahead and 2. Curve around and go to the right. So which one has more, 18 or 12? Well, 18 only has 2 missing squares, and 12 has many of them. 5, 6, 7, 8 has 8 missing. So 18 is bigger than 12. So we're going to go ahead and circle 18. So good job on doing which one has more. Now, if you flip your paper over, guys, you're going to see this on the back. All right, this is 9.6. This is a game that you can play, okay? So what you're going to do is you can get a dice, and you can get it from a board game or anywhere you can. You roll the dice, and then you are going to see what number you get. And you can get 2 dice, so that way that can help you get to some of the bigger numbers. So if you roll a 4, you're going to go ahead and color in your 4. So you can do that. Or if you have 2 dice and then you have a 6 and a 6, you get 12. You're going to color in your 12. And if you have 3 dice, 3 of them, 3 dice like they do here, it will be able to get you all the way up to these bigger numbers like 18 and 17 and 15. And all you do is you roll those dice, count all your dots, then color in which ones you got. So let's just, for fun, let's count these 3 dots. These 3 dice right here. So there's 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10. So now I need to find the 10 on here and color in my 10. And you can put it in a sheet protector so that way you can play the game over and over and over again. But that's how you will use this sheet if you want to play the game. So I will see you guys tomorrow for our next practice sheet. So have fun. I'll talk to you later. Bye.